Kahit nakapikit. Siguro mga 10 seconds kaya na to guys. Kung naintindihan to. Tingnan natin kung sino na makakasagot. Ang makakasagot may palakpak. So let's say we have f of x which is equals to x raised to 4 minus 2x cubed plus 5x minus 7. So ano yung f prime of x? Sasabihin ako. 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 ay wala, mabagal mag-type. Hindi pa pwede. Pero kaya yan. O, derivative nito, isa-isahin na lang natin. O, derivative, sagot. Pag walang sumagot, end live. Maglalaro na lang ako. X raised to 4. Ay, sinagutan talaga niya, guys. May talent. That's correct. Ah, bakit may C? Report. Bakit may C? May report. Bakit may C yan? Grabe naman. Ay, na-integral. Hindi, okay lang yan. So, meron tayong f of x which is x raised to 4 minus 2x cubed plus 5x minus 7. In-integrate pero dinerivative. Hala, naghalo-halo na sa ulo sa isip ni Miko guys, yung mga pinag-aaralan niya. Patay tayo dyan. Delikado yan guys. May ano yung sintomas. Sintomas na yan, marami ka nang nalalaman. So we have f of x which is equals to x raised to 4 minus 2x cubed plus 5x minus 7. So kunin natin yung derivative ng x raised to 4, that is 4x cubed. Then derivative ng negative 2x cubed, that is negative 6x squared. Then derivative ng 5x is 5. And derivative ng constant is 0. Ibig sabihin ito ng dali-dali. Titig method. No, pero wag niyong pagsasama-samahin guys, no? Grabe naman si Miko. Pinagalo-halo yung integral at derivative. Delikado yan, pat. Magana ba tayo? Mag-trigo? Huwag na trigo, but may mga trigo to na exam na ano given. Basic lang muna. So let's say, ayoko kasi magbigay ng given, tinatamad ako magbigay ng given. Number 2. Paano po nakuha? I-multiply mo lang siya sa baba, then babawasan mo exponent. Ayun lang. So try mo to, para magets mo. So you have 4x squared plus 2x minus 3. 10 seconds lang ito, kaya ito. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ang dali lang eh, no? Kayang-kaya nyo na yun eh. Ano kayang gawin natin guys? The derivative ng 4x squared is 8x. Then derivative ng 2x is 2. Then derivative ng constant is 0. So basic. Pahirapan na natin syempre. Hindi pwede yung ganyan lang tayo sa mga madadali. Product rule tayo. Buzzer beater. Siyempre, mga magagaling yung ating mga viewers. So, kailangan magpadaliin lang natin. So, ito mahirap to guys. Bahala kayo dyan. So, let's say we have x squared tapos x cubed. Ang hirap. Ang hirap naman nito guys. 2 seconds. 2, 1. Ayan, tanggal. Depende. Pwede ba niya, no? I-expand. So, x squared times x cubed. Lagay x raised to 5. Oh. Derivative ng x raised to 5. Hindi 5x raised to 4. Pero gamitan natin ng product rule. Siyempre, kaya nga product rule. In-expand ko lang yan eh. So, gamitin natin. So, yung u, that is x squared. Pahirapan natin yung sarili natin. Then yung b, that is x cubed. So, derivative ng u, that is 2x. Derivative ng b, that is 3x squared. So, from here, gamitin natin yung formula ng product rule. So, di ba sa product rule, kailangan mo umubo. Buka lang. So, ubo. Then, yun. Kunin mo yung u. That is x squared. Yung b prime is 3x squared. Then, meron tayong plus. Then, x. Saan yung formula? X cube times 2x. Wala, parang mali. So, magkakaroon tayo ng x squared times 3x squared. That is 3x raised to 4. Then, plus 2x times x cube. That is 2x raised to 4. Remember, pag nag-add kayo nag-multiply ng variables na parehas, ina-add ng exponent. So, parehas lang siya nito pag in-expand. Yan ang pagkakaiba ng remainder theorem and factor theorem. Hindi sila magkaiba. Magkaiba. Pero connected sila. Kasi pag sinabi mo kasing factor, yung remainder mo 0. Then, pag 0 yung remainder, yung ginamit mo na factor, is a factor. Nag-interconnect lang yan. Interconnected yan. Intergalactic. So, kunyari, meron kang x squared plus x plus 1. For example, then naka-over siya sa x plus 1. So, ito guys, masabi mong factor siya nito kapag yung remainder 0. Pero pag may remainder, kunyari yan 1, not a factor. Ganun na siya, kadali. Then, kung gamitan mo siya ng remainder theorem, equate mo na to 0. May negative 1. Then, plug mo yun dito. Connected yan. Interconnecting. Gets yun. Dali-dali eh. Joke lang. Kaya yan. Nadadaan naman yan sa hilot. So, madali lang. Ano ba madali pa neto na given? Tingnan natin. Hirap gumawa eh. Gusto nyo tawag dito, definition of limits. Pero wag na, ako lang mahihirapan magsulat eh. Hindi naman kayo sumasagot eh. So let's say meron tayong 3x raised to 4 plus x squared, cube na lang, minus 2x squared plus 1. Then times natin sa anong haba? Let's say negative 3x plus 1. safe space. Ayoko nyan, piprot. Namaya. Ito lang muna. Radical po, tas gamitin mo yung quotient rule. Ala! Kaya ko ba yun guys? Pwede mo to expand kung trip mo, or pwede mo siyang gamitin ng power rule, ay product rule I mean. Bawal mo to ay derivatives pa isa-isa, tsaka mo siya gagamitan na hindi yung ginagawa guys. Very wrong yan. Anyways, expand pwede, pero gamitan natin siya ng ubo. Ubo na lang tayo para ma-practice yung ubo. So yung u prime, yung u natin is itong term na tong haba. Sulat ko pa ba yan? Tinulat ko na, wala na kayong magagawa. Then yung u prime, so derivative lang na ito. Derivative, ang hirap naman. Na nga, yun naman sumagot eh. So derivative ng x cube, that is 2x, 3x squared. Then derivative na ito, that is negative 4x. And constant is 1. 0 na yan. Then yung v natin, that is negative 3x plus 1. So, basically, yung derivative ng b natin ay negative 3. That's correct. Ang galing naman ni Albert. Paano mo nakuha yun, guys? Ang galing mo naman. So, meron tayong formula. Ito na, nakuha na natin siya. So, lagay na lang natin siya dito. So, meron tayong 3x raised to 4 plus x cube, then negative 2x squared plus 1. Ay, tama, plus 1 yun pala yun. Then yung b prime natin is negative 3 plus yung b, that is negative 3x plus 1 times yung u prime. Ang dami pala nito guys, wrong move. 2x cube plus 3x minus 4x. Nangalay ako dun ah. Hala. So, expand lang natin like distribute. O, distribute. Sinong sasagot? Bibigyan ko ng palakpak. Wala. Eh, di wala. So, negative 3 times 3x raised to 4. That is negative 9x raised to 4. Then, negative 3 times x cube. That is negative 3x cube. Negative times negative is positive. And 2 times 3 6. Then x squared. Then negative times positive is negative. 3 times 1 is 3. Siyempre, copy natin yung plus. Then distribute natin ito dito sa kabila. Ano daw? So we have negative 3x times 12x raised to 4. That is negative 36x raised to 4. Mamaya, wait, tingnan ko muna, hindi pa ako tapos dito eh. Negative 3x times 3x squared, that is negative 9x cubed. Then negative 3x times negative 4x, that is positive 12x squared. Then po tayo sa 1, copy lang natin tong term na to. Ano ba pala nito guys? Hindi ako na-inform. Tanggalin ko na tong parenthesis. Wala naman tong ano, bilang. So magkakaroon tayo ng plus 12x cube, then 3x squared, then negative 4x. Then combine like terms na lang para makuha natin yung sagot. So we have raised to 4, raised to 4, dalawa. So pag kinonbine to guys, ilan? Kaya nga no? Try natin, wag na. Ayoko, wala masusulat eh. Sagot! Dali! Hindi marunong mag-plus ng integers. Ala, negative 45 daw. Naiwan yung ano guys, yung x raised to 4. O, cube. Tapos cube. Tapos cube. O, ang sagot. Ito yung tatlong cube. Alam, mali. Ito pa, may cube pa dito, guys. Ay, cancel. Galing talaga ni Jetlogs. Panis. So, cancel na yung guys. Bakit may x cube pa? Wala nang matitira dun, guys. Wala na. 12 na yun. Na negative tsaka positive. Di mawawala na yun. Wala na yun. So, we have ito x squared. X squared. X squared. Anong sagot? Ang hirap. Ay, ang galing ni Zabe. Zabe. Guys, lagot kayo guys. 21 yung guys ha. 21 yun no. Si cx squared tapos 12 plus 3x. 21 yung guys. Squared. Then yung constant. May variable x pa? Wala, ito meron. Negative 4x. Tapos yung minus 3. Ayun, natapos na. Yung minus 3. Ayun, natapos na. Expand natin kung tama. Kaso ang dami, natamad ako. Pero may space pa kasi dito eh. Sige, expand na lang natin. Expand lang natin to ah. So 3x squared. Expand. Tingnan natin kung tama. 3x raised to 4 times negative 3x. That is negative 9x raised to 5. Then eto magiging 3x raised to 4. Then x cubed times negative 3x magiging negative 3. X raised to 4. Then plus x cubed Then dito naman magiging positive 6x cube. Then negative 2x squared. Then minus 3x plus 1. Okay. Okay. So magkakaroon tayo na ito. Then derive na natin to. Let's say y na lang to. Then y prime. So magiging negative 45x raised to 4. Then ito pwedeng i-combine pero makakancel naman siya. So burahin na natin yan. Then ito naman magiging magiging x raised to 3 or x cube plus 6x cube. Di ba magiging 7x cube yan. So pag magiging 7x cube siya, pwede magiging 21x squared. Then ito naman negative 2x squared minus 3. Ito wala pala. So magiging negative 4x na lang yan. Then ito naman minus 3. O ito rin siya guys. Mas madali nga ito kasi yung expansion gano'n siya ginagawa. Ganun yun guys. Basic yan. Kayang-kaya niya yan. Kayo na yun eh. Papel ko. Wala ng papel. SS. Ala, magdi-divide.